In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Hostinger domain to Vercel. In order to do that, you first need to head over to vercel.com and from in there, proceed to click on this sign up option in order to create an account. If you want to create an account and also create a project at the same time, proceed to click onto this start deploying. So on my case, since I already have an account, let me just log in right here. Now here is my actual Vercel. So into this page, just choose right here the project or the theme that you have. Click on domains, click on this add existing domain, and choose right here the project that you wish to add a domain with. I'll choose right here this one and click on continue. Enter right here the actual domain that you have. So let's head over first to our Hostinger. You can go to hostinger.com right there. And then for this one, just locate in here the domains, explore the services that they offer. So they have in here website builders as well as domain name search. So for this part, just choose right here the domain that you wish to use. Let's input right here tutorial doc. Click on search. And then you should be able to see in here some search results that you can actually purchase. We have in here that AI, that tech, as well as a lot more. So head over and click on buy now. And then buy that particular domain right here. So let's buy this one. And once you have successfully bought it, head over right here to your Vercel and then input that right here. And then after you have done that, you can head over and click onto the add option that we can see into this page. Once you have added this domain, you should be able to see right here the actual configuration. So adding here the configuration as well as the value for that, click on refresh and it should be able to configure it. So that's how you connect hosting your domain to Vercel. Hope we helped.